Guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are here again with another hair tutorial. For today's video, we will be installing a unit from YWigs. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So I received 2 headbands along with our wig. This is it. And this is our wig for today. This unit is a 14-inch Afro kinky curly headband wig. It is 100% human hair with a density of 150%. This is their natural color and it definitely looks like our natural hair. This is it. This is the texture of it. It is super soft. This is it. This is the construction of the cap. It comes with the comb in the front, 2 in the side and 1 in the back. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from YWigs, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is a 14-inch Afro kinky curly headband wig. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the installation. So before I put my wig on, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my baby hair. Alright guys, so I took my baby hair out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Shine and Jam to make some baby hair. Alright guys, so I just finished making my baby hair. I also put a wig cap on, but this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Again, the wig comes with a comb in the front, in the back, and 2 in the sides. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so I just put my wig on and this is it. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my wig, but this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my wig. I will be using some water along with some leave-in conditioner to style my wig for today. This leave-in conditioner is from Cream of Nature. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished combing this out and honestly it is super soft. It was super easy. All I did was to add some water to it and comb it out. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this up. Let me show you guys the back. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished styling my hair and it's giving a nice natural kinky afro, and I went ahead and pat it down so it looks smaller. I don't feel like the big afro fits my face, but if you like the big afro, go ahead and use a pick comb and just pick it right back up. It will go right back to where it was in the beginning, but I felt like this is actually the style for me. I could actually wear this just like this and go about my business. Like, I love this style. It is super cute and it gave me some really nice curls. I don't know if you can see it. Gave me some really detailed curls, some nice super tight curls, and I love it. It is given natural. This is it. It is given natural. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and style it with the headband that they sent for us. So let's start with this one, the green one that they sent. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Alright guys, so this is the first headband. Alright guys, so this is headband number 1. I really do love how soft this hair is. It is giving super natural. It's giving a really nice kinky vibes. I got some really cute curls and I am in love. This is it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the second headband that they sent for us on. So the second headband is a cheetah print. I feel like this one matched my outfit better. The next one was just plain, but this one is a nice cheetah print headband. Just gonna go ahead and put this on. Alright guys, so this is the second headband, and honestly I love this headband way better than the next one, and it brings out the hair a whole lot better because it's such a simple hairstyle. So adding this animal cheetah print headband to it just brings it out a lot better and makes you the focus. So I really do love it. Plus the hair is given natural, it's given cute, and I really do love it. Overall, the texture of this hair is super soft, plus it looks like your natural hair, and this look was super easy to achieve. I really do love how easy this was, and also it was not tangly or frizzy. That was super like surprising because normally with these kinky curly wigs it's a little bit tangly, but all I needed to do was to add a little bit of water and some leave-in conditioner and it was good to go. And I really love that about this hair. Also, it was super easy to style. Whether you want a big or a smaller afro, it's super easy to achieve. Again, this wig is from YWigs and this is their 14-inch Afro kinky curly headband wig, and I am in love with how natural this unit looks. I am in love with how soft this unit is. Honestly, I am super amazed by how this turned out. Guys, this is it. This is the finished look. It is screaming natural, it's screaming cute, and I am in love with it. This is it. Looks like I just threw a headband over my natural hair, and that's the vibe you want your wig to give. This is given, and I link for this unit is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from YWigs and this is their 14-inch Afro kinky curly headband wig, and it is screaming natural, and I am in love with how natural this unit is. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below and let me know how you feel about this unit, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.